What's up, guys? We're back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing the Soaring Simulator with Nugget 30, and yeah, I just don't know where he is right now. So yeah, and if you don't notice anything different, I got the light red shoulder pad. I meant red guard, and then that one's normal. So. And it's 8 million. I could go show you right now. So, we want to jump up here. And boom, 8 million. I've been saving up. So, I finally got it. Let's use the red field booster and mushroom field times 4. Here's Lid Nugget 30. And I said 30. He said X. Yeah. He said okay. And I'm like, yeah. And now I also hold 300. And this is kind of weird. Now I hold 346,000, right? But then 346,500. It's weird. I don't get how it happened. Yeah, we miss each other because we can't see each other again. So yeah. And sad too. I got blood. What is he talking about? He's talking about something. Now I just feel bad for him. Very bad. Because first he can't see me, and then now that. That's just sad. Oh yeah, I also finished some of the badges. Barely any. But yeah. Almost done with the pineapple patch one. And then look how much honey I've gotten in total. Yep. They added a new code, but you have to be in the group. So yeah. Wait, no, never mind, they didn't add one, sorry. No, I broke my jump button. I hate when that happens. I can't do anything. I can't jump. Yep, it won't jump. I broke it. Yeah, I broke my jump button. I always do this. I always. Now I can't jump or use my glider. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I don't know why I'm making that noise. Do this. Do this. Do that. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this. Made it. I made it in time. Okay. Um, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a honey storm right now. Oh my god, I can't jump. I could, but I just have to walk up these, then it makes me jump. Because I can't jump. Don't say I have to walk up. Okay. And then summon. It's just lagging now. And it gets blurry. It gets blurry when I go to the 25 zone sometimes. Or always, I don't know why, but it just does that to me. And some other YouTubers like Gravy Catman. So yeah. Someone was raiding my place. It was the very bottom guy. No. No. My Scythe killed it. I'm just kidding. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get full on this video. I might, cause my Elite Red Guard thing. At least I'm in summer now. I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes. I can't jump still. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Yep, I might actually get full. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna get full. I'm gonna get full, I'm gonna get full, I'm gonna get full, yay. I'm gonna get full, I'm gonna get full, yay. I'm gonna get full, I'm gonna get full, yay. I'm gonna get full, I'm gonna get full, yay. Okay. I don't know what I am doing. I keep on doing weird stuff. Oh, my friend joined. I wish I can jump. Like, press the jump button so I can use my glider. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. So I will end vid. Say bye, YouTube. I'm just gonna wait for him to say bye, YouTube, and I'm gonna say the stuff I always say before the end of videos. Is he even listening? What's taking him a long time? I'm just gonna end the video because he's probably still sad, that's why. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put a like, and send down the comments below. Bye!